UTME writing JAMB chemistry question by 2 p.m. That's the last batch for the day. Ensure you watch this video to the end. And those writing on Friday, that will be the day 2. Those writing on Monday and even Saturday, day 3, Monday, day 4, please ensure you watch the video. This is a live question from those that wrote by 11 a.m. Immediately when they were done with their exam, what did I do? I asked them, okay, what can you remember? So these are what my students can remember. Ensure you add it up to whatever you are reading, because JAMB might repeat it for you. If not for you, maybe a friend or somebody closer to you. Please share this video to your friends, share it to your class group, share it to anybody you know that is writing JAMB. It might really help them. If it does not come out in your own, it might come out in their own. Over 2 million candidates are writing JAMB this year, 2 million plus rather, writing JAMB this year, and majority of them, they are science students, chemistry students. Imagine JAMB cannot be repeating repeating different questions. Like JAMB cannot be setting different questions rather. They cannot set different questions for, imagine, that number of students. So definitely they will surely repeat questions. So should in case they repeat this question for you or your friend, that will be like a bonus mark to you. So the first question they were able to remember was this. They said, which of the following which of the changes determine the spontaneity of a chemical reaction? Is it the volume of the reactant? Is it the free energy of the system? My student can only remember 2 options. That was why you can see 2 options here. So the correct answer here is free energy of the system. This is the correct answer. Now, mind you, is it volume of the reactant? No. Take note of that. My name is Matt Kem. Do well to share this video to other UTME students. Please give us a like thumb and give us a good comment. And by the way, even if you have done your own JAMB exam, any question you can remember, type it ASAP, fast, under the comment section, because it will help millions of students right away. Please, they will add it up to whatever they are reading. Okay, the second one says that hydrogen diffuse. How is it twice as fast as oxygen, 4 times as fast as oxygen, or at the same rate as oxygen? So when I work out this calculation, it is 4 times as fast as oxygen. So whereby the answer is just what? The answer is B. It is 4 times as fast as what? As oxygen. That's the answer to this. Ensure you share this video. Please share it to other UTME students because it's going to benefit them a lot. Now for number 3 question. Number 3 question my students were able to remember and they told me was that they said, the question says, a bleaching action of sulfur 4 oxide. Sulfur 4 oxide is SO2. SO2 sulfur 4 oxide is by what? Is it reduction? Is it oxidation? Is it sulfonation? The correct answer here is what? Correct answer here is what? Reduction. So let me underline reduction. Mind you, is it oxidation? No. Is it oxidation? No. Is it sulfonation? No. Correct answer here is what? Reduction. In case if you want to send me any messages on my WhatsApp, this is my WhatsApp number. But firstly, send your message to the comment section first. Once I didn't reply on time and you need me to reply ASAP, quickly send a message to me on WhatsApp. Now, the next question is this that they can remember. They said, which of the following gases would form a white precipitate with dilute nitric acid, that is hydrogen trioxynitrate 5, followed by silver nitrate, that is HNO3. So what's the correct answer to this? Is it SO2? Is it HCl? Is it SO2? Is it HCl? Is it CO2? Is it ammonia, which is NH3? The correct answer here is HCl. That's the correct answer. So mind you, the answer here is not SO2, neither is it CO2, neither is it ammonia. Take note of the question. So the next question they said they can remember is this. They said a molecule of nitrogen contains dash a molecule of nitrogen. Nitrogen is N, so N2 will be what? N triple bond N. This is what nitrogen has. Nitrogen does not have double bond. No, it does not have single bond. So it has triple bond. This is how molecule of nitrogen is. So it has triple bond. That's how nitrogen molecule is. It is carbon that has 4. 1, 2, 3, and hydrogen here. You understand? Carbon has 4, but nitrogen has 3. Take note of that. So the answer is what? B. That is triple bond. So that's the correct answer. B. That's triple bond. Is it A? No. Is it B? Is it C? No. So take note of this. If you want to text me on WhatsApp, this is my WhatsApp number. Please do well to share this video to other UTME students writing chemistry. And I wish all of you best of luck in your exam. Ensure that you are not afraid. You have eradicated phobia away from yourself. Don't be feared, don't be afraid, don't be scared. This is JAMB. It will not, and JAMB will never jam you. It will not jam you. Just have it in mind that once you are seeing your result, you are seeing 300 plus ASAP by God's grace. Claim it. Claim that 300. That's what is going to happen to you. That's your result. 300 plus. You will never have below 300 by God's grace. So this is what they have. 11 a.m. Can you see? So share it. See you in my next video, as I'll be uploading more questions for you guys to add it up to whatever you are reading. Wish you best of luck. Bye.